Hello guys, we are here in Dallas, just working on an estimate to do a home addition. What we're gonna do, we're pretty much gonna take an outdoor patio and we're gonna close it into a room. We're gonna make it really nice because we're gonna add an AC unit on the wall. We're gonna have large windows to keep that opening and the lights to come in. I'm gonna add also a glass door and of course replace also the ceiling fan to make it a little bit nicer on you. Gonna make it really nice. It looks like it's gonna be a really nice project. Take a look at this.